Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see me here, today we are going to launch this boat. So as you can see, it looks nice. Matchbox and matchsticks. So I'm finding a place where it's not raining or wet. Where shall I leave my puddy boo boo? Puddy boo boo. Oh yeah. Hi Bommy. Hi Jimmy. Lol. Can you stop following me? Statue ba? Oh no, it's some other dog. So let's go on again, out of the way. Yeah. So probably this puddle is perfect. Okay. First I have to just leave this out here. Okay. That means it's working. I don't know why it's going round and round. I want it to stay. I want to make it, yeah. Now let's remove my matchstick and matchbox. Not paid promotion. I bought one. Burden in hand. Why isn't it burning? Bruh. One minute, best way. Yeah. I could make a bomb. Stop seeing me. Pudgy boo boo, no. Pudgy. No, I know you're going to lick me. Pudgy boo boo. Fire. Okay, so it works. Okay, so normally I'm just going to carry it, and you know what I'm going to do? Attack. Oh! Perfect, it's floating. Bommy, no. Good. Stay there. Seriously, without any battery or anything, it's going round and round. I think it's forever spinner. Woo! Spin, spin, spin. And sorry I have dirtied the water here. Let me just show you something. Uncle? It's okay, uncle, you can take it. It's okay, uncle, no need. So guys, as you see here, fire, boom. You guys, you can see floating things. I don't know what is that. Probably air. And still our boat is spinning. Best way to make things spin. And my hands are paining. Oh, this matchbox is over. Idea. Let's see who spins more. Hurr. No, our matchbox isn't spinning. I have idea. Let me get our boat here. Boaty boo boo. Then I'll just take a stick. It's clean water, not dirty. You can calm down. No need to say you, yeah. Ready? Go. How is that moving forward and this? Boo. Here? See, it's moving. Ah! Oh, Pudgy boo boo. No. You licked me from back. No, that's not good. See, Pudgy boo boo, our boat. Pudgy boo boo, see boat. Boat. On the moo, on the poopy, on the dark chocolate. Where are the others, poopy? Jimmy, hi. Jimmy's son. Waiting for Jimmy. Jimmy, can I take the stick, please? Ah, stop biting me, poopy. You have to stay. The warrior stick. Oh, too flexible. Pudgy boo boo, Pudgy boo boo. Can I paint you white? Ooh, ooh, aww. Yo, boogie boo boo. I can't touch you. Sorry, it's Corona time. Hey, Bommy, come here. Baba. Bommy. SIM card, come here. No. Hey, mobile. He's mobile. She is SIM card. Her aunt is, or her elder sister is battery. Her mom is battery. Then her brother is, what do you call? Memory card. And this little fellow and his brother is Josh. Poochie boo. They are the users. No Poochie boo. Poochie boo boo. Poochie boo boo. Oh, he's so cute. No. Oh, a boat is stopped. Boat, come here. Now I'm not going to touch this boat at all. Spin. I want you to spin, okay? Spin. No, no. Uh-oh. Our boat stopped spinning. Why? How? Kyun? Kaise? Hinge? Okay, I know more languages, but kaise? French. Lol. So go there. I can kick it. I can kick it. I can kick it. I can kick it till there. Then leave it there. Spin. Spin your boat. I think our boat is dancing. Dance. Dance. Don't want to dance. Dance, dance, dance. Kill the boat. Kill the boat. Kill the boat. The boat. The boat. Kill the boat. Guys, I think I'm going to quit YouTube. No, I don't want the water. I don't want the water. I don't want the water. Water? No. No water. I took something like 15 minutes to make it. Yeah. It looks like a dog. That's why I'm going to name it the Machi Box. Machi Machi Box. Machi Machi Box. Doggy Doggy Box. No Poochie Poo Poo. That is called Doggy Box. No Poochie Poo Poo. Oh no Mumu. Oh no Mimi. Oh no Dark Chocolate. His name is Dark Chocolate, but I called him Poopy. He looks like poop. Lol. He's a Poochie Poo Poo. First I didn't like him at all due to his colors. Black and white and dots. Oh yuck. But now I don't know why he's so sweet. He's so cute. I like him. Never judge a book by its cover. Okay, Jimmy. I like Jimmy's color and Jimmy's behavior. He's the alpha dog out here. No, you boo 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 no mama. Okay, guys, 7 minutes. Oh no. Whatever. Let me show the other puppies. I'll show you, buddy. Buddy. Buddy, buddy. Buddy boo boo. Where are you, buddy boo boo? Jimmy! Bah! If I say Jimmy comes because he wants to become the alpha dog. It's normal. Or he wasn't even. He's only 3 years Labrador. There. Zoom in. Buddy boo boo. And if I call Buddy, he won't see at all. That's why Jimmy is his best rivalry, like CSK and SRH. Sorry, Mumbai. Same thing. What are you doing? What are you doing? You became dirty, poo poo. I told you not to go under the rain. No, poo poo. Hey, Jimmy, look here. He hates the camera. Oh no, mumu. Oh no, mumu. See like that, bruh. He hates the camera. Okay, this is my weaponry sword, and it's 8 minutes up. Okay, guys. Boy. Okay, wait. Ultra bright. Face the ultra bright texture. Hey, what is? A dark puppy seen in bright light. Oh my god, Jimmy is not even seen properly. As you can see, and see here. Puppy is seen properly. No, boo boo. No, Poochie boo boo. You're my little dumpling. Okay, guys, let's reduce brightness. Full dark. You can't even see him properly. Oh my god, he's camouflaged. Jimmy's seen properly. No, Poochie boo boo. Oh no, mum. Dumpling. Here. Dudu. Dudu boo boo. Okay guys, bye. That's all for today.